Hello, good morning. Welcome to my presentation. It's week 8 individual wrap-up presentation for my MBA class, Creating Customer Values in a Digital World, taught by Dr. Crawley and Dr. Meyer at Robert Morris University. In this presentation, I will do a contrast and comparison of the two companies, Ford Motor Company and Amazon.com. The goal of my presentation is to provide a detailed contrast and comparison of each company as related to the 7 guiding questions. In fact, the 7 guiding questions are from the first 7 modules of this MBA class. I only have about 10 minutes, so I will jump right into the questions. The first question, value discipline. Tracy and Weiser-Sama in 1993 proposed that industry leaders, companies who are successfully assumed leadership position, usually take one or any combination of the 3 value strategies: operational excellence, customer intimacy, and product leadership. I examined both Ford and Amazon's mission statement and find that Ford mission statement says people working together as a lean global enterprise to make people's lives better through automotive and mobility leadership. I think Ford's value discipline is based on product leadership made possible by operational excellence. For Amazon, they say our vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. I think that shows us or tell us that Amazon want to build its value on customer intimacy and similarly made possible by operational excellence. Their primary customer and or market segments. For this question, I refer to Reuters company profile report. Ford has 4 segments of business: automotive, financial services, Ford Smart Mobility LLC, and central treasury operations. Ford's automotive section includes selling Ford and Lincoln branded cars and SUVs and trucks all over the world. Amazon has 3 segments: North America, International, and Amazon Web Services, AWS. Comparatively, I think Ford is more focused on customers who are in the market to buy SUVs or pickup trucks, particularly from Ford, and Amazon targets all individuals who are doing online shopping. So I think Ford is more like a sniper approach when it comes to its market segmentation, while Amazon has a shotgun, more widespread approach. How do companies build relationships and loyalty with external customers? I think for most end customers, Ford connects with them through its products. Ford currently also has a Ford Pass Rewards, which is an app-based loyalty program that rewards points for money spent on vehicle maintenances. Amazon connects with its customers through the enjoyable, convenient shopping experience that brings value to its customers. Amazon has 2 loyalty programs: Amazon Moments for vendors and Amazon Prime for end customers. Comparatively, I think Amazon is doing a better job in strengthening its intimacy relationship with customers. Ford, on the other hand, stays with the traditional approach. Ford's decision this year to ditch sedans and only makes SUVs and pickup trucks might be viewed by some customers as being driven by short-term profits and not environmentally responsible. That might alienate some customers. In terms of AI and big data, Ford uses AI and machine learning to provide mobility service, including manufacturing quality assurance, inventory data management, and smart technology for cars on the road. Amazon is very innovative in using AI and big data to provide more and better customer services, examples including Alexa recommending items to shoppers, etc. AWS, Amazon Web Services, provides machine learning and AI services to enterprises such as Kia and Netflix. I think both companies are doing a good job in using AI and big data to market their current products and new products. Key events. Ford created Ford Autonomous Vehicle LLC in 2018 and announced it will invest $4 billion through 2023 to build an autonomous vehicles business. I think that's a key event for Ford. But the challenge for Ford is major systems such as electronic sensors and computer algorithms for autonomous or self-driving cars are not Ford's traditional strong areas. And in fact, the current $11 billion turnaround plan of Ford focuses on investing more on its SUVs and pickup trucks and ditch sedans. I would say that digital transformation is not going to be an easy one for Ford because it still has the old image and the old mindset of pickup trucks and SUVs. For Amazon, the key event, one of them is the creation of Amazon Prime because Amazon started from a digital start point. The creation of Amazon Prime started an era of additional digital services, including Prime Music, Prime Video, and Prime Pantry. To compare Amazon with Ford, I think Amazon Prime is a natural and a significant extension of Amazon's services and products, not a breakup from the past. Digital maturity. I'm using Ken et al. 2018 definition and its classification of 3 stages: early, developing, and maturing. And I think, judging by the centrality of digital to the core business of each company, Ford is at the developing stage and Amazon is at the maturing stage. In terms of using analytics to make personnel decisions, as we learned in week 7, impacts of AI on talent management using analytics to personnel decision is the trend. I think domestically, Ford is limited by its trade union, including UAW, in terms of its personnel decisions. Amazon, on the other hand, went too far and gave up its secret AI recruiting tool that had a bias against women in 2018. But I'm sure that it's not the end of algorithms and analytics in personnel decisions. Machine learning and AI will eventually provide better tools for personnel decisions for both Ford and Amazon. That concludes my assessment on Ford and Amazon with regard to the 7 questions. I have a list of references that I have used in preparing this presentation. I certainly welcome feedbacks and questions. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a nice day.